Hello YouTube, I'm coming to show you a review on a diaper sprayer that I received, and it's made by Purrfect Zone, and it comes in this nice little package. Just showing the edges, and then it also tells you what it includes on the inside, and it's pretty much everything you need to install it except for a couple of tools, which is really nice, so you don't have to make an extra trip or anything like that. You should have everything you need within the box, and if not, it should be around your house. So inside we have this little thank you card, and it also gives you a percentage off your next purchase. And then we have a sheet of very detailed instructions on how to install your diaper sprayer. And it also comes with a hose. You can see it's a pretty nice length. And then the other mini pieces you'll need. And it gives you options to install to the wall or just hang it on the toilet. It comes with plumber's tape, which is really nice to seal any leaks off. So if you have any leaks, you don't have to wait and run to the store to find plumber's tape. It comes with the kit. Then it comes with the sprayer handle. And you can't see from the camera, but on the side of the sprayer, it is engraved with the name brand of the product, which is Purrfect Zone. And then it also comes with a T-valve, which you'll be using to turn the water on and off to the sprayer. And then it comes with a sprayer holder. So what's not included in a kit that you'll need is a screwdriver and a wrench. And if you don't have a wrench, which I don't, we use vice grips, works the same. And then you'll probably want to grab a towel or a little bucket. Then you're going to turn your water off, and then you're going to flush your toilet to empty any water that's in the back container, just so you won't have water everywhere. Then you're going to undo your hose from the toilet once the water is drained. And it's recommended that you add plumber's tape to all of the ends that have like the ridges that are going to be connected to the water or the toilet or the hose, just so you can prevent any leaks from happening. Then you want to add that T-valve piece back to where you unhook the hose. And remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And then the hose that you disconnected, you want to hook it to the bottom of that T-valve piece that you just connected. So it's kind of like adding a little extension piece to where you unhooked your hose from. And bear with me here because it was a weird angle with trying to maneuver the camera and do the hose at the same time, but we're going to eventually get it. And on these steps, when you connect the T-valve piece, you don't want to over tighten here because that can also cause leaks. So you want to get a nice firm hold, but not too tight. Alright, and then you want to make sure your washer is in your hose part. And then you want to connect the hose in to the T-valve. And then here's where you want to grab either your wrench, or if you don't have a wrench, your vice grips, and you do want to tighten this piece. Because you do not want any leaks coming from the sprayer. Then you want to attach the washer to the smooth end and attach it to the hose, and you do want to tighten here. And then this is a piece, I'm going to be using it on my toilet, so I'm going to be using the screws that don't have a sharp end and attaching the sprayer holder to the toilet mount. And this is when you start using your screwdriver. And you do have the option to connect it to the wall if you would like to. But I didn't want to drill holes, so we're just going to go with the over the toilet part. And this is going to sit on the inside of your bowl. Just hangs there. And hold your sprayer. Then you want to go back down and then turn your water back on. And then of course you're going to make sure you don't have any leaks anywhere. And if you do, fix those. And then you want to turn the T-valve piece to on so the water goes to the sprayer head. And you want to give it a second to fill up. And then I'm just showing you here that I'm cleaning the diaper. And it does have a good amount of pressure to it. It's not like a light spray. It is very forceful. Not to where it hurts or anything, but it's a good amount of pressure, which is good for using it for diaper. And after you get done, just make sure you turn your T-valve off after every use. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this installation video. And if you need one, go get one.